This is the BMR upper Panhard bar support brace for the 2005 to 2014 Mustang. This brace can be paired with an aftermarket Panhard bar, either an adjustable or non-adjustable one, or even the stock Panhard bar. Panhard bars are a common mod for the 05 to 14 S197. A Panhard bar is installed to control the lateral movement of the rear axle. It helps to keep the rear centered and planted under the car. But the picture isn't really complete unless you pair that Panhard bar with a Panhard bar support brace, because the Panhard bar support brace reinforces the Panhard bar mount. So the Panhard bar can only do so much by itself if it's mounted to a weak point that allows for deflection. So if you're looking to give structural support, add rigidity to a Panhard bar, and eliminate the weak mounting point, you want to check out a Panhard bar support brace in order to make things more effective. The install for this is easy. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. It should take you about an hour to get on the car. So the purpose of a Panhard bar is to keep the rear axle from moving side to side. The rear axle can move side to side due to chassis twisting and flex, and it impacts the consistency of the handling. So a lot of people turn to a Panhard bar for help and to keep the rear centered under the car. Sometimes though, the Panhard bar support brace is forgotten about. The support brace helps to add rigidity to the chassis, and it stiffens a Panhard bar mounting bracket for less deflection. There can still be deflection in the factory support brace, so by adding the BMR brace, you eliminate that deflection and make the Panhard bar more effective. The stock support brace is made from stamped steel. This support brace is made from MIG welded box steel. It's thicker and stronger than the factory support brace. And lastly, it's finished off with a powder coat to protect it from any kind of corrosion. This will fit all 2005 to 2014 Mustangs, so the V6, the GT, Bullet, Boss, and Shelby GT500, and it doesn't have to be used with a BMR Panhard bar, but it obviously works really well with one. When it comes to price, you're looking at spending about $70 for this brace. That makes this the most affordable Panhard bar support brace that you can pick up. You do have other brand options. You can always check out J&M, RTR, or Whiteline for support brace, but they will be a little bit more expensive than the BMR here. And if you aren't into this color, BMR does make the same brace in red too. The install for the support brace is not difficult at all. You can install it at the same time as your Panhard bar if you wanted to, or if you're adding the brace after you already installed a Panhard bar, it's not a big deal. I'll call the install a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. You'll just need some basic hand tools and a way to get the car in the air, whether it be with a jack and jack stands or on a lift. You'll start by loosening the nut holding the factory Panhard bar support to the passenger side of the car. Then loosen the 2 bolts that are on the driver's side. These are the last 2 things holding the support bar to the car, so make sure you hold the bar up while taking out the bolts. You'll install the new support brace the same way that the factory one came out. Install the bolt and nut on the passenger side. Make sure you install the bolt and nut in the same orientation as they were in the stock setup. Then tighten the 2 bolts on the driver's side of the brace. Once the bolts are in, you can torque down to spec. That's going to wrap things up for the BMR upper Panhard bar support brace for the 2005 to 2014 Mustang. You can check it out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.